Right. Today the hub is quite empty, so I want to take the chance to use the sunlight to make this one video. And yeah, essentially today I feel like I should talk more in depth about something, and that's probably a more scripted version of the video than the one of yesterday, and that's completely fine. I want to talk about the fact that entrepreneurs have to wear multiple hats, and by that I mean really learning and mastering sales, product, hiring, creativity, marketing, and so much more. And funny story, I've been building my software, been building Formule with AI tools, and even though I have the highest tier of the copilot that I use to build software these days, I ran out of tokens last Sunday, and essentially I'm taking the chance, and because it actually renews on the next Sunday, I was like, okay, that's exactly a week where supposedly I should focus on something else, and I'm taking the chance to moving back into actually creating content and doing more of the visual marketing, newsletters, and everything else instead of actual product. So yeah, this is why wearing multiple hats is actually the thing that right now is necessary for anyone to build or launch a product. Well, I'm running out of things to say here, but I think I'll keep it as short as this, and maybe mention that I will open up some positions for content designers soon, as I will go back to product, although I am hiring for an engineer, and actually more than hiring, I'm looking for the technical co-founder. So these videos are also here for investors who are looking to learn more about me and my daily life, as well as my business, of course, but mostly for the entrepreneurs and the engineers that maybe would like to join us in this journey and build something super cool that will help real estate agents. Maybe I could do a pitch about Formule.io right now, which is more specific, so that I fill up this 5 minutes mark that I mentioned I'm gonna do every day. And yes, so Formule.io is essentially, imagine HubSpot, Oracle, and WhatsApp and OpenAI have a child, and that's basically what Formula does. It's there to help manage high volumes of leads for real estate agents, and the reason is because CRMs are outdated, and even the ones that I see built right now, they are not made for mobile, whereas actual real estate agents, they live on mobile, they live on their WhatsApp, they live on their phone. And so I decided to build Formula.io because I was generating so many leads for a real estate agency, and actually I've seen the pattern that many could not handle more than a few a day, although if you'd ask them, they all would want more leads. Every agent wants to do more business, but it's usually either with an assistant, so a personal assistant, or with an actual tool, which in sales it's usually the CRM, but again, CRMs are really complex in some cases. They can get super expensive. They are web-based, so desktop, and agents need an easier way to create content, to market their properties, to list their properties and show it to clients. So this is where Formule.io comes in and actually solve these issues for agents. And It's actually live, so if you're an agent and watching this, go ahead and test it out. Every feedback is useful. We already have 40 users and several paid beta, actually 3 that are not entirely beta because they're actually working quite well for the real estate agencies on a more enterprise level, but I will go more into detail about that in another video. It's actually a nice spot to take videos. On to the next one.